Here we are, everyone, my 1996 Harley Davidson Softail. My dream bike. Finally got one. Was originally a pearl white when I got it, but yeah, I always wanted mine to be black. She's a beauty. My favorite thing about it is the 124 cubic inch S&S Evo motor. Personally, I think the Evo motors are the best motors Harley came out with. One of the most reliable and easy to work on. Certainly one of my favorites. Another thing you might have noticed, it's got a 50 shotter NOS, so add that onto the 139 horsepower S&S motor. She's got a bit of grunt when you want it to. All the nice bits to go with it. Python snakeskin seat. Extra wide rear tyre with the chrome swing arm. Custom chrome rims. Upgraded brakes. 21-inch front chrome rim. Extended forks. I'm not sure what the rake is on them, but yeah, it sits really nice. I like it. Pretty much everything that can be chrome is chrome. So, pain to clean, but damn, she looks good. Let's start her up. Some of the performance mods, I've rebuilt the Mikuni carby. It's a Mikuni 45. I can't remember what the jets are off the top of my head, but yeah, bigger jets, bigger needle, tuned. Came up to 139.8 horsepower on the dyno. Yeah, like I said, big brakes on the front. She stops pretty good. And that's my 1996 Harley Evo Softail. Doesn't really resemble a stock Softail anymore though.